The way that DTA takes all transportation expense and breaks it down into a granular level, we house it in a data mart environment, and then we've built some very robust search tools, analytic dashboards, where logistics professionals can go in and mine that data through a certain set of parameters if they want to understand, for instance, what the breakout is between their outbound freight and their inbound freight, their cost per customer, their cost per province, cost per pound, what they're paying in accessorial charges, like tailgates, fuel surcharge. They can search by GL code. Basically, anything that they're looking for in their transportation expense, we make available, not only as raw data, but in analytic dashboards, so they can take a look graphically on how much money they're spending month versus month, how much money they're spending with particular vendors, how long it takes vendors to invoice them for services provided, and of course a scorecard on what we're doing for them as well at DTA. We provide a dashboard called Review of Services that captures the amount of the dollar value of invoices that we've received on their behalf, the dollar value of the errors that we found, the dollar value of duplicate invoices, which is very significant in most cases. Carriers, if they don't reconcile a freight bill within a certain period of time, will issue another one. Our system will capture that. So at any given time, our clients can go in and take a look at it, exactly what their expense is, and in any way they want to look at it, and also at the same time review their return on investment with DTA services through the errors that we found, the duplicates we found, the amount of payments we've made to carriers. So it puts all of their expense in front of them in a mineable format. We do more than just put the numbers together. Not your typical bean counters means that not only do we audit and account, but we also try to add value through reactive recommendations, proactive projects like going to an RFP for a client, coming up with new service offerings. And the big piece of our service that's not just a bean counter is the reactive recommendations, where the client manager will take a look at what's happening in the supply chain with a particular client and offering suggestions on how to improve on that, and the dollar figure attached to making those changes. Dependable, trustworthy, and accountable.